In this video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a document to a page, blog post, or email in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over right here at what you want to open. You can either open right here your content and go over to the pages that you have, or you can also choose blog posts, or you can also choose emails. On my case, I have chosen right here my blog or my actual page. Now just highlight the text or select the image that you want to add as a link. We have in here this image, so let's click on this. And from in there, you should be able to see the link icon on the toolbar. In here, you can see the link. Just import right here the link. For this, you can just choose the file that you want to upload and then insert this. So if you actually chose image, it will ask for the link instead of the file. But if you actually choose right here a text, like for example, let's choose right here this. Click on insert, and then from in there you can see this option to insert or embed options. You can insert link right here. Choose right here the link and choose file, and select the file that you want to upload and upload it and insert this. So with this, you can insert the actual document onto your HubSpot. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.